Hi, boys and girls, and welcome to week 3 of our unit on poetry. Today we're going to look at onomatopoeia. Our learning intention today is that we are learning to look through a poet's eyes to see the world. To be successful today, you have to be able to use adjectives to describe ordinary items. So let's revise a little bit. What is poetry? Poems or poetry tell us about a topic or an idea, but in a creative way. Remember, poetry comes in the form of an imaginative text. That means it comes from the poet's imagination. Poets look through things through poets' eyes. They look at things with their hearts and their minds. Sometimes they look at things from different angles or think about what things resemble or what things mean or what things look like and then find different ways to describe them. Now, I want you to put on your poet glasses. Poet look at regular things. And what do you see here? This is just a pencil sharpener. But is it just a pencil sharpener? Can you find other ways to describe it? Let's look at this poet, Zoe Ryder White, and she has described and written a poem about a pencil sharpener. She's looking with her poet's eyes. She's looking with her eyes. She's looking with her ears, with what she can smell, what she can taste, and what she can touch. I think there are 100 bees inside the pencil sharpener, and they buzz and buzz and buzz until my point is sharp. I love the way she's used that buzz word, that onomatopoeia word, to describe the sound of the pencil sharpener. So, what do you see here? Is it a pair of scissors? You can see it with your eyes. What sound do they make? What happens to the smell when they cut things? Taste funny? What can you touch? Can you compare them to anything? Poets look at regular things and they see them differently. So here is a little poem about those scissors. The handles of the scissors fluttered, flap, flap, flap like a butterfly. I wonder if you see a butterfly when you see scissors. Here, maybe it's the wings, the handle part of the scissors. Or maybe you see something differently. The teeth went chomp, chomp, chomp on my paper until my page was cut into shreds. Maybe you think they're like the shark. Swimming through the sea looking for my prey. Snap! Two different poets looking at those scissors very differently. Okay, now it's your turn. Your activity today is this sheet here. You're going to look at the world through the poet's eyes. Under each object, write down what you notice through a poet's eyes. Write down words that tell you what you can smell, what you can hear or taste when you think about that object. Does that object remind you of something else? And then down the bottom here, I want you to pick one of the objects or an object of your own choice to write a poem about. Make sure you upload your work to Seesaw and use lots of describing words.